Hi, I am here with Audrey Gordon, Power App Guru on the PowerApps team, and just got finished with her session teaching PowerApps. It was awesome. And so Audrey, just quick high level, what is PowerApps?
PowerApps is a software as a service that helps you make business apps for iOS, Androids, Windows phones, desktop, Surface Hubs, and wherever else you would like to keep an app in seconds without having to write code.
That is huge. I love no code. I can't write code. I'm not a developer, so it's amazing. So what kind of things, so you kind of taught some basics, how to get around in PowerApps in your session just now, and how easy it is. It's just a few clicks in a SharePoint list now. It's easier than ever to whip up a Power App. So what are some of the common questions that you get from like the audience when you teach a session like this, like publishing apps?
Yeah, people want to know basically when to use a form app sometimes and then when to use a Power App. Like, because you can have an app that's a 3-screen app that you would use on your phone, or you can just have a form customized in SharePoint now. You have a choice.
So that's a new thing now. Tell me a little bit more about that. They just announced that today, I think.
Yes. If now when you click create, when you click the Power Apps on the ribbon above your SharePoint list, you get two choices. You get customized form, or you get create a Power App. The customized form one just enables you to take that list form and modify it and make it what you want it to be. It's kind of like the old customized form in InfoPath, only it's a Power App. And I like it because it now acts right in the panel of SharePoint. So you're actually replacing the form you normally get in SharePoint.
That is huge. So the form that we normally get in SharePoint, so when I was watching your demo, I came to the realization that now the out-of-the-box form is a Power App and that you're customizing it. Is that kind of what's going on?
Yes, you still get the SharePoint out-of-the-box form by default, but when you open up the form, like you go ahead and hit edit, then you'll see at the top the word customize. If you click that, now you're customizing SharePoint with a Power App form.
Got it. All right. So what other kind of common questions do people have? Is it like about the publishing process and who can use them and things like that?
Yeah, people always want to know, who can I share this with? How should I share it? And I always say you can share it with whoever you'd like in your organization. Power Apps is intended to be an organizational tool. So I can use my security groups, I can use my usernames, I can use those type of things to determine who should see this app. But once the people install the Power App on their phone, they'll see all the apps that have been shared with them. They won't see all the apps that I may not have shared with them.
That's very exciting. All right. Well, I cannot wait to start trying out some of the brand new stuff that just came out in Power Apps. And
try rules
and the new rules pane. I wrote a blog post about that. Yes. And I just can't wait to try that as soon as I get back home and working on projects and real world projects. So Thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome.